Warning: you must disconnect the Opus Mini from the main power supply before carrying out any work on this machine.
Remove the handle from the top heater block using a 3mm Allen key. Remove the grub screw and set it to one side. Be very careful as you need to remove the block and there is a spring. You can see it here in the centre of the picture. This tensions the block. Slide the block forward very gently, as shown, ensuring that the spring doesn't fly out. Remove the spring and put it to one side. Take the heater block and loosen the tape with a knife. Peel the first piece of tape off. Peel the tape off gently from around the block, which exposes the element. Having removed the element, see Chapter 8 of this DVD, then remove the bottom strip of Teflon tape by peeling it from around the block. The tape should now be discarded. To replace, use the correct size roll of Teflon self-adhesive tape. Peel the backing off and ensure that you place the tape square to the brass connector block and in the middle of the heater block assembly. Press it down firmly, ensuring there are no air bubbles. Pull it around the block, again making sure that it is firmly stuck down without any air bubbles. Press the tape firmly against the other side of the connector block. Cut off any excess by scoring the tape with a sharp knife and clearing the waste material. Replace the element, see section 8 of this DVD, and replace the top strip of Teflon tape. Ensure that it is butted up against the top of the connector block and square to the assembly. Press the tape firmly down while pulling it around the heater assembly, once again ensuring there are no air bubbles. Trim off any excess tape. Replace the spring in the spring housing as shown and gently relocate the heater block onto the heater location block, compressing the spring as shown and pressing the block home. Use a screwdriver to relocate the spring into the heater block once the block is home. Replace the handle and tighten with a 3mm Allen key. The procedure for the bottom heater block is exactly the same, except here it is secured with a 7mm nut, which must be removed first. Once again, take care to ease the spring out from the assembly.